In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with no fees. And for this, we're using the Strike app. Strike app just tweeted that you can now do a no fee DCA. And if you want to, you can watch this video down here that explains it fully, gives a 7-minute explanation if you need more than my short video here. I also have a bunch of videos on the Strike app if you want to learn more. But basically, you can now use the DCA feature through Strike and get no fees. So what we want to do is have money in our cash balance here. I have $14. Then we want to come to the Bitcoin screen and tap buy. And then you want to tap the icon in the top right corner. This is going to give you options for recurring purchase. Go ahead and tap on that. This is the DCA feature. And in my opinion, this is a no-brainer to use, especially if you're doing something like the experiment that I show on my channel. So you can set your app to purchase Bitcoin hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. And with these settings, quick note, you're gonna face a fee for the first week or your first purchase. And then it's gonna move into a no fee mode. So if you choose hourly or daily, you're gonna pay fees for the first 7 days. And then after that, no fees. If you choose weekly, you're gonna pay a fee on the first purchase. And then after that, no fees. If you choose monthly, fee on the first purchase, after that no fees. For those that don't know, DCA is dollar cost average. It's basically a strategy where you consistently buy an asset regardless of price because you believe in that asset and its performance long term. So this will auto buy for you hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. I'm going to choose daily because that's what I use for my experiment. I buy $1 per day. You can type in however much you want to buy per day here. I'm going to tap next. This is going to give me the full details. It will say the current Bitcoin price, but you're going to keep buying each day no matter what. I'm buying $1 per day. It's going to show me the fee for my first 7 days, and then after that, no fees. So I'm just going to tap confirm. I have to refresh because it sat there for a second. Tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $1 of Bitcoin, and I have my daily DCA set up. You saw my balance increase there, and on the Bitcoin screen we can now scroll down and see that I have a DCA set up there on the bottom. If we want to see the details, here it is, and if we want to delete this, we can tap remove daily purchase down there at the bottom. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. If you also want to do this and check out this app, you can click the link down in the description and get $5 for free. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.